Hello everyone! It's me again, Noy. Tara samahan niyo ako magpagasolina dito sa Jetty Gasoline Station, Puctol, Daraga, Albay. After ng Riles, dire-diretso lang, nasa right side siya. Dahil balita ko na for every 800 single receipt ay may pa-free coffee sila.
Morning ma'am, welcome to Jetty. Ma'am, may promo po kami. Every 800 purchase po, may free coffee po kayo from Jetty. Tara po ma'am.
O, full tank.
Full tank ma'am. AXR po, unleaded.
Unleaded.
Start zero ma'am, full tank po. AXR po ma'am. Turn lang. Okay naman, pa rin mo. Ayun na. Customer receipt. 1,814.0 po. Ito ma'am, merchant copy po na. Ito ma'am, ang receipt niya, free coffee.
Wow! Thank you! May coffee every